Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. So it is possible this fourth wave has now started. I mean, it starts to look a little bit like a five-wave move up with that one more high here. It indeed does. So if we now, it does look like a five-wave move up. So if we now get a break above resistance as well at 105,965, I assume a low of sorts is in. I think it's already worth, not assuming that necessarily, but it's going that way. Okay, it's going that way. The reason is we have a potential five-wave move up. Okay, so we've not broken above standard resistance for wave 4, but it is starting to look a little bit like that. Yeah. Now, does it mean we're breaking out directly? I mean, if we break above 105,965, then I will first of all assume this is a B wave rally. So I can certainly tell you this swing low here from Saturday has the potential to be a more substantial low, but I'd like to see a break above initial resistance for further confirmation. I'm quite interested, not interested. I'm a bit excited about a lot of the setups that we currently have in the altcoin sector. There are quite a few. We talked about many setups, 5 up, 3 down movements in our member live stream today. Because of that, I have made the recording today actually available for everybody. So you can go through it. It's more than 60 minutes of just chart reviews, charts I normally don't cover on YouTube. Tomorrow we've got the next member live stream. But as I said, you can access it. Everybody can access it. I have linked it in our latest post here on X. So feel free to check it out. You can find it on our X profile, and the link to our X profile is in the video description. You can check it out. What I'm saying is there are quite a few at the moment that show 5-wave movements to the upside. Now, I have to say, this year, I think it would look best as a fourth wave. But if we get 5 waves up, then it can't really be a fourth wave, or it shouldn't really. So that's what I'm saying. If we get really 5 waves up, it's not quite 5 waves yet. Not yet a healthy internal fifth wave, but it's worth watching. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So certainly a little bit more upside momentum than I thought we might get on the weekend. So I am looking at that option that we have bottomed there. If I see more convincing signals, then I will, of course, let you guys know, share it on Discord, and then tomorrow in the next YouTube video as well. If we get one more low in this fifth wave, which again is still probable as long as we hold below initial resistance, then $102,511 to $101,690 is the next support zone. This is kind of the next layer of support levels that will be relevant. Let's zoom out a little bit. Overall, the structure is unchanged. We wanted to see the fourth wave unfold over the weekend. All I'm saying is we have potentially a micro 5-wave move up in development. I will have to go through some altcoin charts as well to see, are we breaking above initial resistances? I don't think we are yet. So just to show you how would it look like if we go higher, and if this indeed is a 5-wave move up, then I would call this the A wave of the B wave. Then at some point we might get a B wave pullback of the B wave and a C wave rally of the B wave. And after 3 waves, the market has the next chance to form a top, and I will track support levels along the way. Only if we get a decisive break above resistance, it becomes more probable that actually we're already in a direct breakout, which is in line with the larger time frame view. But on the smaller time frame, there is no setup yet that is confirming that or that is supporting that. So overall, it basically needs to do a little bit more to prove that it's bottomed. I don't trust it yet. I think one more low looks likely. I mean, as I said, we've gone through a lot of altcoin setups today. Most of these allow for 1, maybe even 2 more lows, and the corrections in the sector don't quite look complete, I would say. Yeah, they might, at least on the micro level, get another low. But as I always say, the microstructures are not so important in corrections. The levels are important. And we are still holding here way above critical support levels. So there is at the moment no sign that, for example, a bear market has started or anything. Someone asked me recently, how do you know we are still in a bull market? Well, I don't know, but pullbacks are corrective and we're still holding above support. So I'm overall still looking at higher prices. That's the thing, right? At the moment, however, we seem to be in a pullback in an overall uptrend still. Those are opportunities. But again, early signals of a 5-wave move up, but this 5-wave move up is too small to really indicate that a larger correction has completed. What I am open to is the idea that this rally is part of that white circle wave B already. But I'll keep you updated about that, the latest developments. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.